And before we start doing or approaching the octave, or two different octaves, a major octave and a minor octave, I would like to show the basic principles of the major and minor movement in the arms, and just maybe touch or feel one clavicle, and then we go through the arm and the hands. But if we do major, the lower arm starts, and the lower arm is emphasized, and we even touch it twice. So from the clavicles, we go to the lower arm, and then we come back to the upper arm, and then the lower arm comes again, and then it just goes out. Hands, fingers, fingertips, and out. We repeat it one more time, clavicles, and now it's just flying away. For this you need the lower arms. That's why it's emphasized twice. Lower arm, upper arm, lower arm, and then just ordinary sequence, hands, fingers, fingertips, out. And in minor, we come in. We have to pull ourselves a little bit back out of the spirit towards our body. And that's the gesture of the second. And that's why the upper arm is emphasized in the minor movement. And so we start out there somehow, but again it starts in the clavicles. Everything starts here. And then we go to the upper arm. And then we feel the lower arm come back to the upper arm. And then it's the ordinary way of hands, fingers, fingertips. Away. Last time is the other one. Major, but this away is afterwards in the body, and that's important. We start here, just the sequence, and then upper arm, lower arm, upper arm, hands, fingers, fingertips, and out. So it's so easy, and I will write it under the video, so it's no problem to recapitulate it. I invite you to arrive at yourself and feel the reactions of the body. Start streaming through the body downwards, and then continue streaming downwards through the upper body and the legs. And despite of streaming downwards, notice the reactions, the uplifting reaction in the body. Relax, do a step backwards or forwards, and repeat. Use your hands to arrive at yourself. Sense your inner. Let it react. Turn your hands. Lead yourself through the body, through your bones, downwards. Do not stop. Streaming downwards, walking downwards. And feel the uplifting reactions. And even the heels become light. Just by themselves. Then breathe and relax. The octave is a way, you need to go there. And so we start at our very center, and we stand, recollect how we stood, and we feel the shoulder girdle in front, and the shoulder blades in the back, the muscles on top. And then we allow ourselves the feeling that's like a roof. And we allow ourselves to think the roof carries the house. And the house just hangs on the roof. Then use your left leg, the left leg, to make a step forward. It's the mirror picture to what you see. And the right leg to make a step to the side. And then have the feeling, wow, I'm ready for going out. And this feeling brings you forward to the balls of your feet, and it also emphasizes the feelings in your clavicles. And from there you let these feelings of joy and lightness stream into the lower arm, and then come back into the upper arm, and then go out to the lower arm again. Feel the hands, the flat hands. Open your fingers and feel the air there. Go through your fingertips and have the feeling there, 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 there. Further out, further out. Oh, there's more. I'm welcome. And then allow yourself to be astonished. Let go and let this feeling of being welcome, come over you, flow over you, and slowly come down. And now sense your body, and how does it feel? Does it feel you have returned to where you started? Or do you even have the feeling you are a little bit there where you have arrived when you went out there? We do it one more time. Left leg forward. Right leg a little bit to the side. Clavicles, weight in front. Lower arms, we can fly. Upper arms, we help you. Lower arms, so nice, thank you. We can open up. The hands, we steer through the world, follow us. The fingers, it's so nice out there. Fingertips, there's more, there's more, there's more. And then just have the feeling you're welcome. Let go, do not come back, stay where you were, and just let this feeling come down. Close your feet a little bit, not much. And then just enjoy the feeling how you stand now. Okay, so that's the feeling of wow, this fulfillment, completeness, because I am here and I am there, and music means I am on the way from here to, from me to me. And in minor it's the same, just a little bit the other way around. Use your right leg for a small step backwards, and then slowly pull the left one towards the right one. With the thought, arrive. And after a while, when you have the feeling of arriving, you stand on your heels. When you stand on your heels for a while, your clavicles naturally become present. And then lift your arms from towards out there, but we start in our clavicles. We start, and from there we go into our upper arms. We start pulling a little bit, come. And the lower arms tell them, look, it's so nice here. And the upper arms say, we carry you. And then we go to the hands. Then we show you where you can go along. And the fingers say, look, it's so nice and cozy and warm down here. And the fingertips say, come on, let's go out there, very fine. Let's become thin and then let this feeling arrive in yourself And now remember how it was when you let go up there, and try to let go similarly, that now you experience a fulfillment from within, which before in the major movement you had when you let your arms come down. Breathe, relax. And this, having such an experience of an octave from within, as we had from an octave from without in major, that would need a little bit of practice, perhaps, but that's worthwhile trying. And it's all about trying, only trying. Right leg back, left foot, arrive, clavicles, upper arm, lower arm, upper arm, hands, fingertips, further out, further out, further out. And let it penetrate into your body. Arrive. And then let go and be astonished. Breathe, sit down and listen to the resonance to what we tried. It was just a trying, but what does the body tell you now? Does your chest feel light or more condensed or even heavy now? Or your shoulder girdle? And is this weight, if there's weight, is it depressing? Or is it, how does the body react to it? And if you feel light, which is also possible, it just depends which process is more predominant at the moment. How far does it flow away? Does it have a circumference or is it open? Or both? And the rest of the body under your diaphragm, if you would have to give it a shape, is it a bowl? Is it a cylinder? Is it a square cube? And how do you feel left and right shoulders, left and right side, left and right legs? And how do you perceive your breath in your nose or lungs?